History of space. From stargazing to spacewalking. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did we go from staring at stars to walking on the moon? Buckle up, because we're taking a journey through the history of space exploration. Long before rockets and robots, ancient civilizations like the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks were obsessed with the sky. They mapped constellations, tracked planets, and even built monuments like Stonehenge to follow the stars. These early astronomers laid the groundwork for everything to come. Fast forward to the 1500s. A Polish guy named Copernicus flipped the script, suggesting that the Earth actually orbits the sun. Total game changer. Then Galileo came along with a telescope and said, yep, that's true, and also discovered moons around Jupiter. Mind blown. Now here's where things start to lift off, literally. In the early 20th century, scientists like Konstantin Tsiolkovsky and Robert Goddard were dreaming up rocket science. But after World War II, space tech took a big leap. The US and the Soviet Union entered what we now call the space race. October 4th, 1957. Sputnik 1 becomes the first satellite in space, launched by the Soviet Union. It beeped, it orbited, and it freaked out the whole world. Suddenly, space wasn't just for science, it was geopolitical. Then, on April 12, 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. He orbited Earth in just 108 minutes. I see Earth. It is so beautiful, he said. And honestly, same. Not to be outdone, the US said, we're going to the moon. And on July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong took that iconic first step with the words, that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The 80s and 90s brought reusable space shuttles, massive satellite networks, and the incredible Hubble Space Telescope, which showed us galaxies far, far away, in stunning detail. Then came the International Space Station, launched in 1998. It became a floating science lab and a symbol of global teamwork, with astronauts from all over the world living and working in orbit. Now we're exploring Mars with rovers, launching private rockets, and even planning missions to the moon and beyond, with companies like SpaceX and NASA's Artemis program. Oh, and yeah, space tourism is actually happening. What's next? Moon bases? Humans on Mars? Interstellar travel? It's all on the table. Because space exploration isn't just history, it's our future. From cave drawings to cosmic discoveries, we've come a long way. And the best part? We're just getting started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're as obsessed with space as we are. Until next time, keep looking up.